What's the meaning of absolute? Absolute. 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 The word absolute can have a lot of different meanings, but in general it refers to something that is complete, perfect, or certain. It can also refer to something that is independent of any other thing. For example, the absolute value of a number is its distance from zero, and it does not depend on the sign of the number. Similarly, absolute zero is the lowest possible temperature, and it is the temperature at which all motion stops. In general, anything that is absolute is something that is not relative to anything else.